So this is me getting my early morning workout in at Como Fitness Club SRL before we spend the day in Bellagio. It cost me €25 for a day pass. It's much smaller in comparison to the one I went yesterday, but you can still do a decent upper and lower workout. In this workout, I did a few upper exercises, and the owner of the gym is very friendly. In comparison to the fitness club that I went yesterday, it had a lot more of a positive atmosphere. I like working out while I'm on holiday because it puts me in a positive mindset for the day. Though travelling gets very busy, I feel like balance is key to enjoy yourself as much as possible. Off to Bellagio. The journey is like an hour from the bottom of Lake Como, the southern area where we're staying, to Bellagio, which is basically at the centre of the lake. So yeah, we on the hunt to find bus ticket station. Look at these toilets. Anyway, tickets to Bellagio. So one way is €4.30, isn't it? Yeah. And we've had to get 2 tickets each because obviously we're coming back here. So missed that bus. Well, didn't miss it, it's just we couldn't fit on. We'll wait till 11:55 for the next one. Yes, Fern. She's happy now we're on the bus. Missed the first one, but we're on the 11:55 bus to Bellagio. Yes, Fern. Happy Fern. We missed the 10:55.
So if you were travelling to Bellagio from Como, then I'd recommend getting earlier because the buses get really full.
Yeah, look how busy the buses are. Como final boss on a bus to Bellagio. Restricted view. Look at that. Touchdown Bellagio, baby. Look at this. Lake Como, baby. Close up. Very nice. Slicked, knocking it down, yeah. Or refurbishing. Absolutely lovely. Other than that, I think they're renovating a building or building a whole new building, but honestly beautiful, isn't it? Look at it. Lovely Bellagio. This is amazing, isn't it? Yes, so we're in a place called Bellagio. Yeah, staff in here very friendly. I asked if I could charge the phone behind the bar because it's almost out of charge, but they said yeah. Right, gonna try the lemon soda. I've never tried this before. Very lemony, but I thought it was going to be more sour. It's not sour. This is a Grobbiano. Prefer my tortellini. Yeah, mine tastes better. It's like it's not being thoroughly cooked. And mountain in the distance there. Very cute. See if we can secure a souvenir for my time in Lake Como. I reckon, Fern, I'm gonna go for this. Yo. Oh shit. I dropped something.
Yeah, probably a coin.
Oh, my euro there. Because that souvenir I was about to say cost me €9. Got a euro spare. Yeah, they've got
It's amazing.
a rent a boat board. You can rent a boat over there for an hour, and then for 6 hours 430, and then there are all the different spots all around Lake Como. You don't even need a license, fuel included, insurance. Like if you book with Bellagio rent a boat experience, you can go all over Lake Como, can't you? Right, we're just walking up this cobbled steps. See where it leads to. Yeah, Fern, you know it's gonna be a steep walk back up. Travelled all this way to see what's in here. Okay, so apartment buildings. She said if I want to pick a lemon, I can. Yeah, so Bellagio. It's got so many of these different side streets with like wine shops, restaurants. Oh, restaurant appearing out of nowhere, clothes shops. You get the score. Well, this is fun. Lost her again. I'm not sure whether she went in there. Hey, yeah, she went in there to the toilet. God, that was like clockwork. Can she see me? Oh, she's walking further up. Her. Fern, I thought I lost you again.
I know, but I had to run to the toilet.
Look, you've got all the different ferry points here.
To go to Verona.
€4.60 one way, one person.
One person. There and back.
No, one way 460.
How much for two way?
Double price, €9.20.
€9.20.
How long does it take to get there?
Depends if it's the first or the second stop. If it's the first, it's 15 minutes. The other way is 30.
Unfortunately, we didn't have time to go Verona. You can get so many different range of boatage in Bellagio. The quick boat, which is there, and then you've got the slower journey, which is the ferry. But obviously you've got to pay extra for the fast boat. We're on our way back. Bellagio was good. Doesn't take a while to look around, but it gives proper Lake Como on social media vibes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The cobbled roads, the vibrant, colourful buildings. Where we are, it's a lot of colourful buildings, but I feel like with it being a sunny day, yeah, it made it a lot better. Obviously, you've got the hills, you've got the mountains and everything. You've got the small alleyways with all the restaurants, shops, etc. Yeah, enjoyable. She called it the Italian experience.
Italian experience.
Yes, you know.
On the rush hour.
On rush hour. 5 o'clock, well, 5:15. Busiest time. Pop up, baby. We've gravitated because of the taco. From our seat, get a beautiful view of the square as well. Amazing. Had 3 of them, baby. Right, plan of action. Walking towards the tram line to go to the top of the mountain for sunset. Oh, such a beautiful evening in Como, isn't it, man? Best evening we've had so far, quite comfortably. So it was $6.60 per person for a return ticket, so overall for mine and Fern's ticket it cost us €13.2. I think this is validated ticket, isn't it? Whee, giving me the green light. Oh, number 13. I'm looking for some, but I'm sure not for us. Tram doors have just shut. About to make a move. You've got a seat, I'm sat on a step. Imagine having that as your view. Would make everything a little better, wouldn't it? Okay, well that was nice. Jeez. Definitely worth the moolah. In time to get in that queue to go back now. Oh my god. Oh, they're hella cute. I want to go to them, bro. Hello, baby. And you, big man, come here. Hello. Hello. Such a, so cute. Oh, the cutest dogs ever. Just give me the green light again. On the way down, back on the way up. Whoa. Is there gonna be space? Tram trip done. We're heading back to the room early tonight, I think. Just gonna grab a few bits and bobs from the supermarket and walk back because we've got a big day tomorrow. Travelling to Rome. It'll be a 4.5 hour train, so yes. How fun.